Good morning. It's a beautiful August morning. It's actually Friday. It's homeschool day for the kids. But I need to come out here this morning and get some work done around here. I haven't been home in July. I've been gone at the cabin. So now it is time to actually get to work, clean up some of the things that need to be cleaned up, which is pretty bad. But that's okay. We all have those days, right? So this area is the chicken coop garden. Clearly, I call it chicken coop garden because of my chicken coop and my run. So where my girls are. As you can see, I've got some Eden Climber roses on it. I probably, oh gosh, I think I bought this rose about 3 years ago, but I just transplanted it over here this year and straighting it up the actual coop, and it's looking so pretty. I'm very excited with how it's looking so far, so that makes me really happy. I might just trim up a tiny bit of it, but we'll see what I end up doing. Over here, I've got my grapevines growing. It's been a month, so things are pretty wild, and they're very happy over here. So it's a beast. It really is. So I need to get the ladder out even and trim up all the stuff around. I need to be able to walk into the walkway, get things done. I also have my strawberry patch over here. Weeds, a lot of weeds. So we're going to be working on that, getting that all done. I also have marigolds growing in between. It's a really cute place, but extra space, and that's what I need. Another grapevine over here that needs to be trimmed up. I have my asparagus patch over here, lots of weeds. The asparagus really isn't growing anymore, not that I can see anyway, but we can still clean it up. The broccoli did end up bolting, but that's okay. You know, the chickens will still eat it, so I'm going to keep the broccoli in, still feed it to them. They'll enjoy that special treat. I do have some cantaloupe over here. I've been harvesting cantaloupe off of it, and actually it's been quite delicious. It's wonderful. That cabbage is gone out of here. I don't know why it's there, but we're going to get rid of it. This area is pretty empty because I did have carrots in here, and before we left on our trip, I did pull them up. Over here, I do have the watermelon, and again, the watermelon's growing into the walkways. We need to be able to walk through, so I'm going to trim it up, get it all better. But the worst part about the yard, this is so embarrassing, we did have an issue with our water this winter. It was like in November, and the water all of a sudden just burst in our backyard. It was a horrible mess. I had to ask my father-in-law to come over and shut off our entire water on our house. Well, the contractor that we hired only finished it in May. So all spring long, I had no water. Thankfully, we did have a pretty wet spring, but boy, things are looking pretty bad. And some of the things that are really suffering this year because of that reason is my blackberry patch. So it is what it is. It's just our new canes are growing and we have water now, so everything is good with the new growth, but our harvest wasn't too great this year. But as you can see, it's up here, just it all looks really bad. But that's all from before. So this is all the new growth right here. And like I said, it's looking beautiful. It's great. So we're going to trim off the old canes, and we're going to be tying up the new canes, which actually those are the canes that we're going to be having the fruit on for next year. So that's what we're going to be doing. Please don't mind all the cobwebs. I will be coming out here. I will be wiping everything down. I don't spray for anything back here other than I do spray BT, but that's pretty organic. So but nothing else gets sprayed back here because I want it to be as safe as possible for my kids, for my animals. So that's why it looks like that. Yeah, and I bought that in spring and I still haven't planted it. Thankfully, it's doing okay. So, but we're going to get started. I need get a lot of things done. Hopefully I can get all this stuff done. If I don't, no big deal. I'll just come out and finish it again another day. See if we have any eggs yet this morning. Ah, 3 eggs. Thank you, girls. Wonderful. All right, project finished. It's a few hours later and I've been working hard and it's been hot, but that's okay. We got things done. I'm very excited about it. I can't wait to show you what I've done. All right, so we got all of the watermelon trimmed up off the walkway. That looks really good. It's make it so we can actually walk through without an issue. Don't mind the mess. I'll clean that up in just a moment. I just got some of the weeds over here. I didn't do anything else to it, which I could have done more, but that's all right. Found some unearthed balls. My children will be very excited about that. Just again, more weeds. I did end up mulching my asparagus patch and it looks really good. Doesn't it look great? Really makes me happy the way that it looks all clean, which is what everybody wants when they're gardening. Over here we have the blackberry patch. It's all the same mulch, just that end was wetter because of the plant that I just planted. Got it all in, mulched it. It looks really clean. It looks really nice. The walkway is looking great. All right, everyone, I hope that you enjoyed what you saw today. I got a lot of work done. I'm very proud of myself for being able to come out here. It took about an hour and a half, maybe hour 45 minutes to get everything done. So it makes me very excited to see all the progress that I've gotten done, especially with putting down the mulch. I didn't think I was going to get time to do that, but that I was able to, so that really made me happy. But now it's time for me to go inside, make sure my boys have gotten some work done, which, you know, who knows? There's 8 and 9, so who knows if they actually got the work done that they needed to, but we'll see. I hope this inspired you to go into your garden and get some things done, even if you're only working for 15 minutes, 20 minutes, half hour, whatever you have. Go out there, find a section that's a problem, or start small and just work on it. It's amazing how much we can get done in just a little bit of time. Hope you enjoy this. Talk to you later. Bye.